Stick around to see the game that I personally love to play with my students, and your students will love it too and ask you to play it over and over again. So you do not want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, thanks so much for sticking around, and you're gonna be glad you did too, because this game, The Wind Blows, is one of my students' favorite games. I'm gonna show you how to play. It's super simple, but before we get into it, guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell, set it to all so you know every time that I post, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of games and sharing all of my activities with you guys, and you want to stick around. All right, so the way you play The Wind Blows is you have the kids circle up in a circle, right? I use the poly dots so they know where to stand and they can stay on the dots. Now, all you have to do is have one person in the center. They say the phrase, "The wind blows," to whoever, and then they finish it up with a get to know you thing. Get to know you things are things like people's favorite vacation spots, what they want to be when they grow up, favorite color, hobbies, food, you name it. Anything that's get to know you. Now, here's a disclaimer. I always tell my students, don't say things that we can physically see, like no physical features. I mean, we can see that you're wearing Jordans. We can see that you got a blue shirt on. We can see that you're wearing glasses. So always tell your students, don't say things that we can physically see. No physical features, is get to know you things only, okay? So that is all you need to do. So just watch my students play and you'll get it. I promise you'll get it. Very simple game. Whoever's favorite color is purple.
The wind blows to whoever's favorite drink is Sprite. Whoever has a good grade.
Wind blows to whoever likes Subway. Subway is good. The wind blows to whoever was born in October.
The wind blows to whoever. The wind blows to whoever likes.
Is that my dot? Yeah, that's my dot.
Yeah, you can't go back to your same dot. All right, so that means you're in.
Okay, the wind blows to whoever likes horror.
Whoever likes horror films.
The wind blows to whoever has siblings. That was her third time in there.
So you're gonna get that kid that's gonna be a little narcissistic. They're gonna want to be in the center all the time. They're gonna try to get out on purpose. They're just gonna act like, oh, I can't find a place to go, so they get stuck in the middle. So here's how you eliminate that. You can give a consequence, meaning if somebody gets stuck in the center for 3 times, so if this is the 3rd time getting stuck in the center, have them do something they don't want to do, right? Something to put them on the spot. So maybe drama teachers, you can say, you have to do a 1-minute monologue if you get stuck in the center. Or if you're doing this in PE class, you can do 10 push-ups. if you get stuck in the middle. Or if you are in language arts, you can have them read a sonnet in front of the class. I don't know. You are the teacher, so you come up with the consequence. I like to do monologues because I'm a theater teacher, but just assign the kid something. Say, hey, if you get stuck in the center for more than 3 times, you're gonna have to do blah, 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 blah. Okay? So be creative with that, teachers, and that will help you eliminate that problem. So let's get back to the game. Okay, Drasola, this is your 3rd time being stuck in the middle, so you have to do a 30-second monologue. Action.
About what?
Okay, let me give you a character. Cinderella, and your objective is that you want to go to the ball. Action.
Please, stepmother, please. I swear, I cooked all the pots, I folded the dishes, I did everything you asked. Why can't I go to the ball? Because I look a mess. Well, let me shower. You haven't let me shower in 2 years. I smell like literal garbage. Let me go to the ball,
Keep going.
Wind blows to whoever.
James, focus.